Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit color palette in your WordPress. So firstly, you have to log into a browser and look for WordPress.com and then log into your WordPress account. And this is the interface you're going to see over here. As you can see, I'm in the home page and here on the right hand side is the quick links option over here. Below it is the edit site option. Click on the edit site option and it will take you to the official editors page of WordPress. After you have reached the editors page of WordPress, as you can see over here, we are gonna look for the styles option on the right hand side. Over here you can see the styles option. Click on the styles option. Here we are going to look for the colors option. Click on the colors option, and as you can see here it is written that palette, edit palette. Click on the edit palettes option and you can actually choose the colors you want to edit your website to. After you are done browsing and choosing the colors, you can actually make a custom color from here by just simply clicking on add, and you can actually add the colors you desire to your WordPress account. So thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.